Welcome to an exclusive sneak peek at the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland. Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation, and this latest offering is no exception. Let's start by exploring the exterior design of the 2024 Model 3 Highland. This model features a stunning and rugged design, with elevated ground clearance and distinctive styling cues that set it apart from the crowd. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior. The 2024 Model 3 Highland boasts the latest Tesla technology, including an updated infotainment system and advanced driver assistance features. When it comes to performance, the Model 3 Highland delivers. With powerful electric motors and all-wheel drive, it can tackle various terrains with ease. Plus, it offers an impressive range that ensures you can go the distance. In conclusion, the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland is a game-changer in the electric vehicle world. It combines Tesla's signature innovation with rugged versatility, making it an exciting option for those who crave adventure without compromising on sustainability. Stay tuned for more updates and official release information on the Model 3 Highland. If you're as excited as we are about this remarkable vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates.